Hello, it's Daniel and welcome to this trip report. In this trip report, I'm flying with Irish low-cost airline Ryanair from Dublin in Ireland to Glasgow in Scotland. I took this flight in July 2019, after flying in from Carlisle a few hours earlier. I needed a flight back home and Ryanair were the cheapest option, and their times worked out better as well. By any means, Ryanair are definitely not my favourite airline, but I needed to get from A to B and they were the best option, so I booked this flight. The Glasgow-Dublin route is one of the most popular routes Ryanair serve, 3 flights a day, and they have competition from Aer Lingus. Essentially this route is the Irish Shuttle. Instead of it being from London to Glasgow, it's from Dublin to Glasgow. Dublin is actually pretty busy in the evening. This is because the last city hop flights of the day to many cities in the UK and Europe all go out around the same time. For my flight to Glasgow, I'm flying on a Boeing 737-800, which is the sole aircraft type in Ryanair's fleet. My seat on this flight was seat 8A, and the flight time was just 40 minutes. Now here's the taxi out and takeoff part of the video. The legroom on board was decent. This 737 actually had Ryanair's newer slimline seats instead of their old ones, even though this 737 is actually one of their older 737s. The flight was nearly full with only a couple of empty seats. And now for the landing clip into Glasgow. overall, the flight from Dublin to Glasgow with Ryanair was alright. There wasn't really much to the flight experience. It essentially was you're just straight up, straight down, and you're there. This flight essentially is more like a bus ride. You get from A to B. It's too short really to have anything to eat or anything like that. It's literally just listen to music and that's it. If you want to see a more in-depth review of Ryanair, then check out my Tarbs Dublin review, which I uploaded a couple of months ago. Overall though, this flight was a good way to end a brilliant day trip. The Loganair flight from Carlisle really was the highlight of this trip. If you haven't seen it already, make sure to check out that trip report. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this trip report, and stay tuned for the next one.